Hi, this is our patient who just had an x-ray taken of his implant procedure that was performed in April. And we're just going to ask him a few questions about his experience. Tell me what surprised you about the experience so far.
Dr. Duello, it was quick, very quick from the time you started to the time the first procedure was done. It was relatively painless. I expected to experience some kind of pain. There was just simply none. And the result, I guess, is where I'm at right now. It's kind of like I had a tooth crack off, and just a few months later, here I am, and I'm well.
Did you have any downtime from work or anything, or were you able to return to your normal activities?
After the procedure, I drove to work, and I worked the entire day. I think I took a Tylenol, or whatever you suggested.
And for the last few months, you've had a cosmetic replacement. You've been able to brush and floss and pretty much take care of your life as normal?
It's like there was nothing that you had done.
And I believe we made a custom temporary for you.
You did. We've had a little fun with that. I will show people the implant. I'll show them my lower jaw and say, pick out the implant. And generally they'll pick out the wrong tooth.
Oh, that's a great story. So what would you tell other patients if they were having to have this type of procedure done that you did?
I would tell them to call you.
Okay, well, thank you. And I believe your dentist is Dr. Lillenberg. Is that correct?
Jim Lillenberg.
And how do you feel about Dr. Lillenberg, who sent you to see us?
Jim Lillenberg, I went to college with Jim, so I've known him for a long time. And Jim gave you a great referral. He said, you might not be the least expensive, but you were by far the best. And for the dollar, I should come see you. I have actually seen you in the past as well, so I've had a prior experience with you, and I'll be back again in the future.
Well, thank you very much, and we'll share this with Dr. Lillenberg and other patients, and hopefully it'll be helpful to somebody else.
Thank you for all you've done for me.